Every Sunday, Layla walks 3 blocks through the city to visit her mother, June. Same tea every time, jasmine and orange peel, just like her mother used to brew when she was little. June doesn't always remember who Layla is, but she always reacts to the tea. "I know that smell," she says. "It's something good." The past returns, not as facts, but as feeling. Ava, the AI memory interface, does much of the remembering now. But it's not the algorithms that bring her back. It's the warmth of the cup, the scent of toasted bread, the song Layla hums without thinking. This is not the world we planned for, but still, people like Layla show up. Still, small rituals persist, because love doesn't forget, even when we do.